Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here in this video we are going to discuss about some of the stocks to trade on 10th November 2021, and also you can get the option chart analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty in this video. So not wasting our time, let's get into the video. So the first call I am gonna suggest you to trade on 10th November in equity segment is BPCL. So you can see why I am suggesting this stock, and I'm gonna explain you why, the reason behind for this stock. So you can see there is a triangle pattern which is formed like this from 467 to 414, and there is a support level at 413, you can see. And today there was a breakout and ended in positive way. On yesterday there was a breakout and gave a huge momentum to upside, and today there was a moment of consolidation over here. I'm thinking tomorrow gonna break out this at this level, resistance level, present resistance level, and then gonna break out at 430 to above level. If you get a breakout over here, then I'm gonna suggest you to go long over here. And also I'm thinking that it's gonna go huge to up to 458 in future, and which you can convert into a swing call also. So this is the reason I'm giving this stock to trade for tomorrow. So for not mainly for intraday but for swing, this is the best call. So you can see. And also there is a reason why I'm suggesting you this stock to trade is, you can see the previous day chart of this stock on 27. There was a huge buying was happened. The buyers were in control of the market from 24th Sep to 18th October. Then there were sellers from 18th October to up to 9th November. So now there is a buyers are over here at this is a support level which is continuously having. This is a support level for BPCL. So that's the main reason I am suggesting you this. So no matter what, tomorrow if this stock breaks out at 432, this resistance level, then you can go long on it. So for swing you can keep a stop loss of 428 and the target would be 458. And also for intraday you can keep a minimum target if it breaks out at 444. So this is the stock first equity call I'm gonna suggest you. And going to the second equity stock, JSW Steel. You can see we also gave this stock to trade on 3 to 4 times in our previous videos, and tomorrow also a good day to trade on this stock. So the reason behind this is, you can see the pattern over here, which is a vertical one. So if tomorrow if the price come close to here, and if it breaks out over here and then consolidate for some and then goes to over here, and if tomorrow sellers were in control and make the market down, you can sell it, which means you can short it up to here. So this is the simple strategy I'm gonna suggest you. So the target would be for sellers is 628. For swing also you can convert it, and for target for buyers is 727, which could be absolutely good risk reward ratio. You can see up to 6.6% and up to 7% for sellers. There is a huge for sellers. So wait for tomorrow confirmation over here. Green candle, go buy long over here, and if there is a red candle down this line, you can go short it. So that's how you make it. For buyers the stop loss would be here at 669, and for sellers the stop loss would be 680. So that's how you can trade in this stock particularly. So that's a 2% consolidation you need to wait for tomorrow on 10th November. So this is the second equity call I'm gonna recommend you, and going for the third equity call, which is Hindalco. So there is a simple price action line, you can see this line, and there is a support level, huge support level, which is still at good point from nearly September. From September it's been acting as a good support level. So there is a price consolidation, and then there is on 11th or sorry on 22 September there were buyers in charge of this stock and pushed the price from 468 to 551, which is approximately 90 plus points. And then on 18th October the sellers are in control and pushed the price down, which formed in a triangle pattern. And tomorrow if the price breaks out over here or here for a green confirmation, I'm gonna thinking that it's gonna touch this level at 457 and then gonna grow huge in 2 to 3 days. So this is also a buy call. I'm gonna suggest you only buy for it. So the target would be 550 and the stop loss would be keep 453 when you buy at 457. Just wait for the double green confirmation and don't enter in it trade if you get a red confirmation or which is slightly below this line. Don't buy it, only buy whenever this triangle pattern breaks out, then you can go long on over here. And in 2 to 3 days for intraday you can keep target of 489. The stop loss would be same at 459. So you all know the swing is better for Hindalco but low margin. If you have low margin you can enter in intraday after the good confirmation, then you can make good returns in one day. So going to the next equity call, Wipro. Yeah, this is also a triangle pattern, you can see, and there is a support level over here for 644, and this is also a good support level which you can convert into as this is a support range of 644 to 629. So you can see there is a triangle pattern is formed as in our previous one, which is Hindalco, and here you can see there is a breakout occurred. It gave a triple confirmation over here. So there is a little bit of consolidation. I'm thinking it's gonna go over here and then gonna go huge up to the target would be 739 for swing. For intraday you can keep a minimum target of 674 and the stop loss would be same. For swing you can keep a stop loss below 628 and for intraday you can keep below stop loss of 641. So this is also a buy call from Wipro, you can trade for tomorrow. So I suggest you to trade on swing would be better. Why? Because you can have less risk and good reward, and also you can get 1:4 or 1:5 risk reward in this stock. So mainly preferring for intraday, just go prefer mainly for swing. Don't do intraday because you have if you can take risk then go for intraday, but if you want to make your risk low and get a good risk reward, then you should have to go for swing. So that's how I am saying, no matter what the investment is, 100 or 1000 or 1 lakh, just go for swing, then you can get minimum and good rewards then compared to intraday. So these are the 4 equity calls I'm going to suggest you to trade on 10th November. So going to option chart analysis of Nifty 50. So today I was entered at 18,050, you can see, and this is the target price is my target price is 18,573, which could be approximately 500 plus points, and the risk is nearly 90 points. So you can see there is a simple strategy that this acted as a support level once on 22 October, then it acted as a resistance level on 2nd November, 4th November, and then there is a breakout occurred yesterday at 2203, and it gave a confirmation. So I just entered it, keeping a long position of up to 18,573 and a stop loss of 17,928. And I'm also thinking that tomorrow it's gonna be a bullish day and it's gonna go huge tomorrow. So tomorrow may be a gap up or like that, something gonna happen. I'm thinking that tomorrow will be a gap up in Nifty 50. So these are this is my analysis on Nifty 50. So you can also check it out, the price levels. And going to Bank Nifty, there was a from past few days the Bank Nifty is in a sideways range. So from past few days I'm thinking that 39,948 and 39,531 is a sideways range, and from 1 week I'm thinking that those two are the levels in sideways range. So whenever the price is in those range, I didn't took any trade, and when the price break out, just traded over here at 29 October, and I got 200 plus points profit in option selling. And also yeah, but from past few days like 29th October, 8th November, which is yesterday, this is also became a sideways range, and I am not entering over here right now. So I'm thinking that tomorrow just wait for after this, like if it breaks out over here, then go enter over here to target of 41,578, and if there is a downtrend, just wait for it. Yeah, there is a good risk reward only on buying side. The selling side has only low reward, where the risk is same for both. So I am suggest you to only buy call option only if it breaks out after 39,950 or above this. Only buy whenever there is price, and keep a stop loss below over here 39,524. So this is my analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please smash the like button and comment if you enjoyed it and learned a few things in price action of trading in stock market. And also please share it to your friends and family who are interested in stock market, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club. So thank you guys for watching this again. Keep investing and trading.